Okay, so we just talked about surface area, how we started with the basic shapes, we went to composite shapes, now we're going to 3D shapes, and that's how we work out surface area. But all we have to do is see the surface, the area of each face and add them together. Very simple. Almost insulting to begin with, right? We go, please, do not insult our intelligence. So with this first one, I will be insulting your intelligence. We start by saying surface area. No. Oh, I can write on there. Go figure. Okay. So we can go surface area. What shapes do we see? Yep, square here. So easy. 3 times 3. So we know that that's 9 centimeters squared. And the hard part for you, which I don't think is that hard, how many faces do we have? 6. So I'm just going to go 6 times 3 times 3, make my calculator do all the work, and we get 54 centimeters squared. How easy is that? Very? Very, she says. So we've got that one, which is 5 times 3. And we know that there's 2 of them. There's one there and there's one at the back. So double it. What will I do next? Okay, we got the 3 and the 12, and there's 2 of those. And what one do we have to make sure that we include? Which one have we missed out on? The top one? Okay, so what's its dimensions? Yep, 5 by 12. And that's it. Into the calculator, bang. How do we do that quickly? You can just draw the rectangle, send it back, bang. Really easy to draw a 3D shape. Okay, that's 4, that's 2, that's 18. Technically, I know you've already heard me, I've got issues with this book, worksheet. They should have the little right angles there or say that it's a rectangular prism. Maybe they did right up the top. Okay. What's the first rectangle you want to do? Pick one, anyone. 4. So 4 is not a rectangle. 4 by what? So 4 by 2. So then you're doing that one. And it said it's an enclosed one. So we're going to say 2 times 4 times 2. How to draw them. They're pretty simple. It's this bit here that you focus on. I can hear chatting. Can we please be quiet? So, ready? Draw your, Zach, you watching? Draw your triangle at the top. You draw your triangle at the top. And you can use a ruler or you can just use a steady hand, but each line that you drop down, try and keep it the same length because this one has to be parallel to that length. And then this length has to be parallel to that one. And they're pretty simple. You've got your 3D shape. Not bad. If you want to tidy it up a bit, you can put the little dash through there. Okay? So it shouldn't take you all day to just draw a quick shape. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? It's just simples. Excellent. So we see 2 triangles. And we'll just wait. Would you agree we've got 2 triangles, top and bottom? What other shapes do we see? How many of the... Yes? Oh, I thought someone was going to say 2, but well done. You have got 3 rectangles. You've got this one here, right? So that's 1. You've got this one at the side, which is 2. And then you've got the back, which is the 3rd. So the back. All right, so let's work them all out. Triangle. What do we need to find the area of a triangle? Okay, if I'm wanting to work out the triangle, this one here, what information do you need to find the area of a triangle? So we need base times height over 2, and we've got two of those. We've got two of those triangles, agreed? So all you got to do is look over here, and we need the base and we need the height. So look at our green triangle. What do you think is the base and what do you think is the height? Now, the base could be 15. However, if you took the base as 15, what you then need is the vertical height, which would be up there. Do we have that information? We don't. So we can't use that one as the base because we need a 90-degree height. Okay, so could you tip your head to the side a little bit? And if we go, this could be the base and that could be the height, or vice versa. That could be the base and that could be the height. Do we have that information? Yep, so that's 9. And what's that? 12. Excellent. So when we do this now, it will be 12 times 9 divided by 2. What happens when I divide by 2 and then times 2? They cancel each other out. So you can just write 12 times 9 because there's 2 of them. If you want to go the divide by 2 and times by 2, then by all means, go forth. Okay, we're going to add our 3 triangles. Oops, rectangles. What are the dimensions of my 3 rectangles? We've done that one, which is 9 by 18. What's the next one that you want to do, Johnny? The right-hand side, so 12 by, well, it's 18 again, that's right. And what's the one that we have not covered? Aiden? We've done 9 by 18, right? So it's already here, that's why you've got to look. What's that one? 15 by 18, absolutely. So you just got to make sure that you add all of these up, so that one and this, and then you'll get your total surface area. But it's just breaking it up. So I think you can take over and do B, and I just want to come around and chat to people.